everyone, this is Monal, and this is my second video where I'll be giving you one very important tip on how to get a little advantage when you're playing the arcade mode. Please listen to it very carefully. I will let you know how can you get an edge or an advantage while you play the arcade mode, especially the quick the quick 8-minute match. So please listen to it very carefully. आप लोग सुनिए, and I'm sure it'll help you a lot. The tip I will. So the tip is this: that you have to be first one to jump out of the plane. आप always be the first one to jump out of the plane. जैसा आपने देखा मेरे साथ भी किसी ने jump किया. The reason is if you are the first one to jump, you'll be the first one to land. And if you are the first one to land, then you can get an advantage when it comes to guns, because you see someone else landed there, but now if I get a gun, I have an edge over him to shoot him. Uh, Only if I get a gun, that is. Okay, perfect. I have a gun. I'm sure so will he. So I need to work on my health. I just want to reach a safe place before I do that. Second most important thing to understand is you have to be very careful. If possible, wear headphones and listen to any footsteps that come close to you, because it's difficult. You constantly keep looking on the map on your right to see if anyone's coming. So I would suggest mm, get good earphones and use them. So मैं दूसरी टिप ये है, अपार्ट फ्रॉम द फर्स्ट टिप, कि आपको सबसे पहले जंप करना है प्लेन में से. सेकंड टिप ये है कि आप अच्छे ईयरफोन्स पहनिए, सो दैट आपको पता चले कि अगर कोई फुटस्टेप्स आ रहे हैं आपके पास या कोई आपको अप्रोच हो रहा है, तो आपको पता चलेगा. जैसे when I was inside the house, I could hear some footsteps coming. तो जैसे ही मेरे को पता चला कि कोई आ रहा है, मैं चौकन्ना हो गया. I was aware of someone coming. वही मैं कॉन्स्टेंटली मैप पे देख के नहीं कर सकता हूँ. One more very useful tip is this कि if possible, always keep your health full and always drink energy drinks. ये तो शायद सबको पता होगा, but still I am emphasizing on it कि आप अपनी हेल्थ फुल रखा करिए और अगर हो सके तो सॉफ्ट ड्रिंक्स या वो भी पीते रहिए. Pills, medicines are the best, but अगर आपसे वो नहीं मिल पाए तो soft drinks are the second best. Oh my God.